welcome to my channel, KarolinasKrafts. Today is an exciting video because we are making matcha teas, matcha lattes, matcha tea. So you guys know I love matcha. I have like a video on here of how I make a matcha chia seed pudding. I have a video of how I make my favorite matcha latte with like the different things I add and whatever. So today I have 3 new matchas to try. I have one like regular matcha, it's like a ceremonial grade matcha, which is you just kind of drink it straight up. There's a certain way to prepare it, but we're not gonna do it that way because ain't nobody got time for that. You need like a whisk and everything, and then you put in a little bit, and then you whisk some more, and then you put a little bit more water. It's just complicated, so we're just gonna try it the regular way that I normally make matcha. But I also have 2 other flavors, so let me show you guys first. This is the regular matcha we're gonna try. This is from the matchareserve.com. So we're gonna try this one, and I love matcha, you guys know that, so I'm just trying another kind of matcha. These are all like certified organic from a farm in Japan. So I'm really excited to try these. So this is the matcha latte. It has like other additions. It's supposed to just be like fantabulous. So it has a little bit of milk powder in it already. It has a little bit of sugar. This is normally what I find that stores carry. They carry a matcha latte because you just add water and you're kind of like good to go. Already has everything else in here. This is the regular straight up matcha right here. So we're gonna try this as well. I might end up adding in like oat milk or something to my matcha. We will see, but this is like the straight up matcha. And then I also have a mango matcha. Guys, I am so excited to try this. Mango matcha. Who's ever heard of mango flavored matcha? Have you, Paulina? Have you heard of a mango matcha?
No, but it sounds delicious.
I know, right? So we're about to try this, guys. I have Paulina here. We're gonna be the 2 taste testers today in today's video, and we're excited to try all this matcha for you guys. So we just literally boiled some water. So let's get into our matcha making. Before we get into the matcha making, let me just tell you guys why matcha is great. So a lot of people actually use matcha in place of their coffee now. Just brew a cup of matcha. You don't need no coffee, girl. It does have caffeine, so you still get your caffeine fix even if you switch from coffee to matcha. It has tons of antioxidants. It's good to like increase metabolism. It lowers your blood sugar. It lowers cholesterol apparently. So like it does so many great things, and it's also supposedly like for youthful looking skin. That's why I still have a baby face even at the age of 27. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start making the matcha. All of these on the back tell you instructions on how to make it, and they all say anywhere from like half to 1 teaspoon of matcha. Depends on how strong you like your matcha and if you're used to like the matcha taste or not. Eventually you could gradually like increase your matcha intake, but don't go too crazy the first time, otherwise you're not gonna like it. You have to get used to it. So I'm gonna start off by adding in half a teaspoon of matcha of all 3 of these. I got my mason jars right here, right below, to show you guys how I'm gonna make everything. So let's see, first one, I gotta open up all these containers and test them out for you guys. Oh my gosh, the mango matcha is green. I was thinking it's gonna be orange for some reason. So half a teaspoon, approximately, of the mango matcha in the first container. I'll even put like these containers right in front of it so we don't get mixed up and so we know which one is which. So that's mango. Next one is gonna be straight up regular matcha. All right, this is like a darker green color because it does not have the mango in it. They all smell so good already. Paulina, can you smell it over there?
No, I cannot, unfortunately.
Not yet. So she'll be tasting it with us. And then the last one, guys, is gonna be the matcha latte. And I believe this one's supposed to be lighter in color because it has the addition of sugar, of milk powder, I think is already in here. And you guys can see it's not as of a fine texture. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is definitely like, you could see it has additions. It's not like super powdery like these ones. Like, I don't know, can you see? This one's gonna mix so easily. The other ones, possibly not so much. So I do have like a little whisk to try and help it out a little bit. Matcha latte, matcha, mango. But let me move it off to the side so you guys can like see a little something. Maybe I should separate these a little bit more. Put it like that. How's that? Is that great organizational skills or what? So we're gonna fill up these cups to 2 ounces. It tells you on the bottom, which is why mason jars are great. All right, that's good for now. And then you're just supposed to mix it. And good. And then this one. Actually, I think the, I'll keep going for that one. hold on, stop. Okay, hold on. I know this one's 2 ounces for sure. I think this one said 3 ounces. Yeah, do one more. Keep going. Okay, stop. All right, this one is definitely, I think 2 ounces, 2 to 3 ounces. So we'll just leave that one at 2 ounces. And then this one, hot tea brewing method. I messed up on this one. This one's supposed to be 1 teaspoon of matcha latte with 8 ounces of boiling water. Hold on, guys. Let me add another half a teaspoon. All right, this one's supposed to be 1 teaspoon. All right, keep pouring. This is supposed to be 8 ounces, 1 cup.
Oh, mango smells so good.
Does it? Okay, good. All right, so matcha latte, regular matcha. Let's whisk this in there. Oh my God, the mango matcha does smell so good. Wow.
It smells like straight mango.
It does smell like straight up mango. It smells delicious. And then I'll also just whisk this. All right, guys, out of these, you could see this is the lightest color. This also does have the most water, but this has the additions already of milk and sugar because it's a matcha latte. It's supposed to be like one of the easiest things to make. I also love matcha latte. It's just so good. This one, you're supposed to add in more water after you mix it, so I will do that in a second. And same thing with this one to your liking, because this is gonna be like tea now. It's just kinda, you add in a little bit of water to then mix it in, make sure it's all like broken up, the matcha and everything. And then after that, you just add in more water until your liking. I'm gonna add in a little bit more water, guys, to these two. We're gonna do 4 ounces just to try it. We might need more matcha, we might need more water, it might be too strong. It's kind of like to your taste buds, so you have to figure it out. All right, let's get my taste tester in here.
Taste tester is on its way.
Taste tester is here. Okay, so the first one we have here is matcha. I mean, they're all matcha. What am I saying?
Mango matcha.
Mango matcha, but it's hot. It's hot. Be careful.
Wait, are you not supposed to add like milk or anything to it?
It's supposed to be straight up like tea, I think. So I think we're just gonna try it like this, and I think we might need more water or something. We could add milk if we want.
It's so
but
fragrant.
it is very fragrant.
This is really hot. You're trying to burn me?
Yes. How is it?
I like it.
Do we need more mango?
What do you mean?
Like more mango matcha? No, it's perfect.
You taste the mango a bit.
It smells more mango-y than it tastes.
Yes, for sure.
But you could, like when you swallow it, you have like a mango aftertaste.
I could drink that as tea.
Yeah, so I think for us, the perfect addition is half a teaspoon to 4 ounces. If you were to do a full cup, we would add in another half a teaspoon, I think. Maybe even a little bit more, right? Because we like matcha, so.
And we
It's
like
good.
tea.
It's good. Okay, next one up is straight up matcha. So let's try this one. Here you go.
It's so hot too.
They're all hot.
Secretly trying to kill me.
I'm not trying to kill her.
This one definitely smells like matcha.
Like straight up.
Straight up. I don't know how I feel about that. I mean, it's still good. I prefer the mango because of the like sweetness to it. Then again, this has no sweetness to it.
This one's just straight up matcha. You can add like oat milk or regular milk and just kind of make it into your own latte. This is the kind of one that I would use in the video that I did my favorite matcha latte recipe. I turned it into like a matcha latte, but I did use straight up matcha and not matcha latte like powder. So this one is good to add in your own additions and things like that. So let me try it.
I think honey would be good in it.
This one is stronger than the mango. I think this one normally I might add in like another 2 ounces of water for half a teaspoon. So about 6 ounces of water to half a teaspoon, I think I would
probably make it into a latte.
I would probably make it into a latte too, because that's what I normally do with like straight up matcha powder. And this is the kind of powder that you add into like chia seed. Yeah, exactly. Chia seed pudding, into your pancakes, into smoothie bowls, smoothies, anything you want. So that one's also really good. It is just straight up matcha, so you might want to add in additions. Now this one,
looks
matcha latte.
Thank you so much.
You're so welcome.
I feel like I need to mix this again.
Yeah, here's a little whisk.
Thank you.
Do we need more matcha latte powder?
Yeah.
Okay, so 1 teaspoon to 8 ounces is apparently not enough of this.
It tastes very watered down.
Yeah.
I need a lot more matcha latte love.
I agree. It needs a lot more matcha latte. So maybe that one, I mean, because we like matcha. We love matcha. We drink matcha lattes all the time. So I'll add in another teaspoon. So I guess like 2 teaspoons to 8 ounces of water for this.
By the way, can you count how many times I've raised my eyebrows in this video?
Comment below how many times she's raised her eyebrows.
Oh my god, I just noticed. I keep doing it.
Oh, by the way, guys, in case you guys want to buy some matcha, I have a coupon code for you guys. It's gonna be Carolina Matcha for 15% off at matchareserve.com. I will have all the links down below for you guys as well. But now let's continue with trying this.
Matcha doing today. You getting some matcha?
I like that. Matcha doing today. You're so corny.
Better.
Better? Do we still need more? I feel like we might still need a little more.
It's better, but I feel like I would like this with milk.
It has milk powder in here.
Oh, I would like probably add some like oat milk. But it's better. I'd still add some sweetness to it too.
I think I need some more matcha still.
I agree.
So we're at,
just pour it in.
We're gonna be at 3 teaspoons of matcha for 8 ounces of water for this one. For the matcha latte. All right, are you ready? We're at 3 teaspoons of matcha latte for 8 ounces of water now. Good?
I like it.
See, this one's good to just like drink, just like plain like this. So is this one actually though. I really liked the mango.
I was gonna say thank you so much for my breakfast. Cheers. Hi.
There you go. Wait, I didn't get to cheer you back. Breakfast cheers. All right, enjoy your matcha latte. I'll enjoy my mango matcha. I really like the mango matcha. This one's really good. I love mango, guys. One of my favorite flavors. All right, but this video is getting a little too long, so I'm gonna end it for you guys. I hope you guys do try out matcha. Definitely check out matchareserve.com. They have other flavors in addition to mango matcha. They have other flavors, but mango, personally, one of my favorite fruits. So I'm really enjoying the mango matcha right now. This regular one, like I told you guys, is great to add into like other things, smoothies, chia seed pudding, which I make all the time. You guys have seen it in my videos. If you guys also watch my vlog channel, I make matcha chia seed pudding all the time. So that one I add in like straight up matcha. So it's fantastic. Again, coupon code is Carolina with a K, K-A-R-O-L-I-N-A, matcha, M-A-T-C-H-A, for 15% off your order at matchareserve.com. Links will be down below and everything you need to know. I will also have links to the other recipes that I've done before from my matcha latte of like what I add in with straight up matcha. I will have that link down below. I will have in my matcha chia seed pudding recipe link down below as well, so you guys can test it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and my review of the Matcha Reserve and all these different products I got. I'm actually really thankful I got to try these because I'm gonna be literally buying this one all the time, the mango matcha. Amazing. I think it's definitely my favorite out of these 3 bunches. It's just, I'm really liking it, guys, and this could be my caffeine fix in the morning instead of coffee. I just really like it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you, Paulina, for being my taste tester as well, and enjoy that matcha latte. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to click that red subscribe button down below and, you know, just stay in the loop on all my other videos.